Hello, everyone. The ability to speak well in English is an important one. What is just as important for you will be your ability to listen to what is being said so that you can respond correctly to either explanations or instructions. But how can we prepare ourselves so that we are more able to understand the main points from either of these two types of speech? Well, train your ears firstly. Make sure you practice listening to others speak. Using subtitles on your television or on videos you watch will help you to be able to understand what is being said and follow along at that native speaker pace. Learn your words. So, there are words that we associate with key topics. So, if you remind yourself of these key words, you are better able to listen for them in conversations. You can also listen for other key words such as who, what, when, where, why, and how, as they will often signify the start of a new topic or question. Listen for commands also. These are known as imperatives or imperative verbs. These will describe an action, so run, write, walk, turn. These imperative verbs are also usually paired with prepositions. So these are words that indicate the relationship from one thing to another. So, for example, sit on that chair. Sit is the imperative verb, and on is the preposition. So, learning your prepositions will be key. Other key words, such as who, what, when, where, and why, will often signify, as I said already, the start of those topics and conversations. When another person is explaining, they will often break this information down using words or phrases such as when, after, next, once, another. So ensure that you are able to listen to these pieces of information for each. Other words you might associate with explanations would be connective, such as firstly, secondly, finally, also, then. So these are also ways in which we can hear that information is being moved on. But as always, the best way to be able to become more and more familiar and confident with this skill is practice. So the harder you work on this, the better you will be. So thank you. Hopefully that's been useful. It's now your turn to go and do some revisions and practice as well. Well done.